Do you know why do people post achievements in social media? Yes, man. Why do people post achievements in social media?
For
Acknow-
appreciation.
Acknowledgement.
Appreciation. To
Right.
get
Correct, right?
appreciation.
The same, right? Okay, the same to get appreciation, right? Okay, hey, I achieved something like that. Then immediately everyone is going to feel, everyone is telling, wow, congrats, ra, like that. So after posting that achievement in the social media, for every 10 minutes, how many likes came? Anyone commented? How many likes came? Anyone commented like the people are going to see. Why? You are eagerly waiting for that appreciation, eagerly waiting for recognition. So usually my habit is, if I give any work to my employee, after completing that work, just simply I will use thank you. It's a very common word, thank you. Like yeah, just they will okay, legend. Okay, sir, thank you, sir. Like they will go. Again I will ask, Hemant, like just Hemant, assume that my employee is Hemant. Hemant is there with me. I gave a small assignment, he completed that. Thank you, Hemant. Like, yeah, it's okay, sir. Like, he's going. Again, I will call. Hey, Hemant. Like, yes, sir. Like, again, I'm going to use thank you. Thank you. Then smile, and then he's going to leave. It's okay, sir. In that, what there in that, it's okay, sir. Small activity. Yes, thank you. Like, second time, intentionally, by calling that person, I will tell. There's a bigger difference in there. Remember that. Thank you. Thank you. Why the people are feeling very happy after listening thank you? The reason for that is, yes, we give, okay, something like you are important for me, something like that feeling you created by your thank you message, by your gratitude. Okay. So achievements we are posting in social media. Thank you message makes opposite person smile. Next, the kids are very happy to show the stars for the parents. Like all these things, man. 800 plus crores of the people, everyone eagerly waiting for appreciation.